Hey girls, what are you doing?
I am making a peanut butter sandwich.
How about you, Molly? What are you doing?
Making peanut butter salads.
Yeah?
Just want to taste some one bite. And no more, okay? That's very good. It sounded. So good. Like this way, but it's not
Everybody
this
just know what you do. Like I am.
Oh, yeah.
So your mommy just lets you guys make your own sandwiches like that?
No.
No?
She said we could do anything we want.
Your mommy said you can do anything you want.
At this house.
Oh. Interesting. Can you tell me how you make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
So you spread it.
What is that?
It's called spread a knife. Then when you want some right here, you can dip some right here. And this is called true peanut butter. And it's so good, you better try some. It's at the amazing supermarket, you get everything you want there. And me and Mom are just gonna try. It's good. There you go. Oh, that's so good.
It's so good.
Don't eat too much. You're gonna get sugar. So it's ready to put all spread around. You can get some details in. So that's
Can I?
perfect.
Let me look at your... That's a pretty good looking peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Let me see Molly's. What do you think, Molly?
This is good.
Yeah?
Oops.
Oh,
Oh, goodness.